Ndizi isano na ibere isano na isato isano na ibere enoti isano na ibere isano nemo inye boigo asensemo ya WhatsApp nigo ratonyore wetera asenambeyo Kisi Family Medical Center, your health our responsibility.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Biyake gima omwancho muligeni gacharagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabono mugaso asine yaligeni rigokoletera amangana mayabuna nyareko bakako kolekana kura chingongo chonsi inye chense chinga kitoroche obocholi bogendeta gokorekana ime county ya Mombasa na boige county ya Kakamega na boigo ase ebunge ya West Pokot ne bunge ya Rongai ase abakichikura bogendeta gwesokia na boigo kwenyareli bagalyo kochora abarayi gumwancho muligerere karansoike elinde ngoerere ase nchira iyo bwenye enda gutubwatia ase ensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga ensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News ase ensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke hereditaria ne Frida Kerubo na sichinsemo chibyorokerelyo nigotokubwatanere Joshua Autangwira na ndasige kekeke ngomanye amange. Omobunge omochore kurwase bunge ya West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira Steve Mogaka nigagendete kumerana na boroki gwabe first year ase eskuru ya St George's nigo agendete kwerera chinchira arachikoba konya nabo igo kwene kibuna banyere kwa bakwegendereria ase amasomo abo. Mwanchi umurigereria gingo soa ase ensemo yende nigongo kumanyuna obochori nigo bogendete kokorekana ime county ya Mombasa ase abakichikura abanyareko abakorokana gwesokia koba abake nabo igo nigo abaroneri abanyareko abawika ase ebitaseni na kwene kibuna abanyareko abawaka ekura yabo hukwana nabaliki bamangana nigo basabire abamenyi bensemeyo gwesokia ase obonge elinda kwenyorera libagali gochora omugavana we county.
It's fairly smooth, I must say. At least from where I voted, nimeona haikuwa pengine ni vile hakuna msururu ya watu wengi, lakini kwa wale walikuwa wanapiga kura kwa uzuri. Obviously watu walikuwa wanataraji kupiga kura tarehe 9 mwezi wa huu, watu walikuwa wamejitokeza na watu walikufa moyo kwa sababu hawakupewa nafasi siku ile. Ndio maana hata wanaimasishwa watoke, lakini I know a big number of people that they're expressing some kind of dissatisfaction by saying bana IEBC iko na matata kiasi.
Tinga kechi boigo oyokoranekiro kyobugavana ime county ya Mombasa Hassan Omar nigo aikirana ase egetuokyo gwaka chikura na boigo gwaka ekura ya yegokwana ase chinsemecho nigo abamochia abamereni baye kurwa somorengo ODM ase atebabuna nigo bangire kwena nalia kigochia ase abakichikura elinde ko bakera ekura kolende nigasabire ekyombegete tobochorine chimbebe IEBC kene kibuna obwakichikura bwakolekanira ase nchira yo na boigo obwasioku.
Tumekuja hapa ku exercise haki yangu na ya bibi yangu na pia rafiki yangu Mohamed ya kupiga kura. I've definitely elected myself for governor of Mombasa together with my dear sister Selina. The voter turnout so far is quite low. It's the characteristics of by-elections, which experience a voter turnout of about 30 to 35%. We're about halfway in most polling stations around Mombasa, ranging from about 11 to 17%. Now I'm hoping that within the next, by the afternoon, a lot more will start to improve. There have been a bit of incidences where some people tried to attack a car that was delivering food to our agents. There's widespread bribery by the ODM, which we have asked the police to either manage, or in the next hour or so we'll manage it ourselves.
Imeye bunge ya Rongai nigo chibura buruche ne kigwa ase egetaseni kyobwaki chikuragia kia munye secondary chingaki omobunge onakuru town east David Gikaria aikera na chinsemecho abo ase abagusira ebyama barorokana koge chigwa nabo igokoreta oguturubanirwa kolende abanyanyimbo nigo besokia na weswana nigati ase David Gikaria anyara ko bagakurusigwa ase chinsemecho ase getaseni kyobwaki kuragia kia munyi nigo kebwate abakichikura abange abo bale chiribu isato chimi isano emerongo 34 oroboti urwasinchira iyo bwinye
acha tupigwe naomba kwa heshima aingie saende aingie ende
Kiechu boigo oyoro mojumbe ase ebunge ya Rongai boigo kwegerera ekiruge kyo Raymond Moi nigaikerana ase egetaseni kyo gwaka ekura na boigo gwaka ekura yaye boigo nigo abamochiri abarai abachole abo barokana gwichererana ase egetaseni kyo abo ase asaba ababisa batenete ekyombe kyo bacholi ne chimbebe IEBC kwaine kibuna omorobeliyo okolekanire ase nchera ya bene.
You know, this is supposed to be a day when people come in. If they start trickling in from 6 o'clock until 5 o'clock, why should they be accosted maybe 400-500 meters from their polling station? Why should they be talked to? People have made their minds and they're going to decide to make their minds, who to vote for. So I don't, and in any case, they're breaking the law because campaign period is over. They are still campaigning. They're still campaigning. Because you're not supposed to campaign, I believe, 48 hours before we vote. So why are they running around? Why are they still talking to voters? You know? So, the owners is still on IBC. They still are not really conducting these elections in a free and fair. You know, when they hear a governor is here, a senator is here, and they're campaigning for the other party, they feel intimidated. Why should they bring all these people? There were about 54 of them, you know, in Rongai, against one person, one individual, one person, 54 elected members of whether it's Senate or National Assembly, you know. So it is that aspect of intimidation that I am concerned about.
Batigana na yo mwanchi muliye ni tokande masemo goika ase e county ya Kakamega. Oyo koranera ekero kyobo jumbe ekero kyobo governor ime county yo wetera ekyamagia ODM nigo abamochiri abamerani bae ase okwena na amaki nabo igo gokwana na bakichikura chingaki obocholi bogendete gokorekana. Fernandez Barasa nigo atebiri abakichikura kurwase county ya Kakamega wesokia ase obonge nabo igokwene kibuna bamocholire koba omurayobo ase emiaka 5 eribosio.
Akuambia wale wote ambao wajapiga kura wakuje kwa wingi ili mchague gavana wenyu mtarajiwa ambaye ni Fernandez Barasa. Mambo ya usalama iko salama, hatujakuwa na visa vyovyote hapa za usalama. Jambo tu ambalo tumeona kwa wingi sana ni mambo ya voter bribery. Mpinzani wangu ambao ni Cleophas Malala amekuwa akinunua wapiga kura wengi sana kwa vituo mbalimbali. Nimetembea hapa Matungu, almost all the polling stations. There's a lot of voter bribery, which in my considered opinion, hiyo ni an election offense. And I want to urge IBC na all the security agencies to make sure they take action so that watu wapige kura kwa haki na uhuru without intimidation. We have already reported the authorities. Even here we had people who are dishing out money. We have evidence, so I've already reported the authorities. Issues around voter bribery because it's happening all over.
Watigana na yo mwancho muliye na goso ase orobotironde ni gongo komanyuna magega yo munyakirogo bwekiyombegete ntobo chari ne chimbebe IEBC wafula Chebukati weso kia na korwa biroli bosibwe kigambiro buna ababwatani bobo mobwa Azimio la Umoja nigo batemete gwesona nigatino bochori bwakorekanete naboigo koboturubania bono nigo Rafael Tuju aso kire naboigo goteabuna nigo abwate ekerenga yo komomanyi wafula Chebukati buna nigo obochori ase ensemo emo yanyate ko bagekoenekigwa buna obotutukano umbare ngorore kurinde wafula Chebukati tachi komotegerera tyatonyore orobotira senchira iyo bwenge buna Rafael Tuju akwegerera kubwatikana nenganiyo.
The issue I'd brought up with him was that I'd received intelligence from one of the IBC officials who complained that some Form 34A were being brought down and they were being replaced by other Form 34A. He was not able to know exactly the location from which this was happening, but he brought it to me once, first time, and I reported this to the DCI, who dispatched officers to have an interview with this person. This gentleman was so terrified, he actually mentioned the case that he had been threatened by Mr. Majan when he brought it up with him, that he should not play with him, he'll know who Mr. Majan is.
Abasibwa kurwa Thika Main Prison nigo benyorire amaegelio yokorosia amasakara yekaki ayo agutumika ase okubekera ebinto amaegelio yo nigabereka gokorekana ase amatuko ane aita ase abasibwa bagokire igetambukerekyo ase batebire buna nigo banyareko bakonyora obumanyi oborachiko bakonya amatuko abosio koegendereria orobotira senchira iyo bwenye.
Nimetoka na course zangu kadha wa kadha. Kiangalia nyuma yangu pale kuna kazi kadha wa kadha inaendelea, kuna kutengeneza bag, kuna packaging, book kape vitu kama hizo, na itanisaidia pakubwa pale nje. Kwa ile kazi yenye nilikuwa nafanya, nitapata kuwa na ujuzi zaidi ya vile nilivyo sasa hivi. Kwa sababu nikifanya kitu ile pale nje, naweza ambia vijana, si ati hakuna kazi za kufanya. Kazi ziko. Ni kuchoka, vijana wataki kuchoka. Lakini kwa sasa naweza wapatia encourage na niwaambie eti wafanye kazi kwa bidii, ambapo hakuna kazi ambapo hatuwezi kosa.
Nimetufunza kitu kama packaging bags, gift bags, boxes za kuweka keki, kitu kama kutengeneza vitu kama hizi. Hii ni kutumia mkono, hakuna ati mambo na mashini. So ukiamka tu asubuhi ujiulize nitafanya nini, unachukua tu like kama uko na capital ya kuanza biashara yoyote, unaanza tu, si kukatu idol. Alafu vitu kama hizi zinatuma mtu akue na mentality, big mentality ya kukuwa na kazi yoyote.
Umwanchi umurigereria kurwa sorobatiro nigo naikire omwele wa mangana maya ase ebire biga kurende ngo basabato basagoskato basakonyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange ningo yaletera asenchera iyo bwenye maga chikamera sokwene kibuna ebicha naboigo eliogire gukira sole asenchera yabene nere omusae James tonya kwato kubwatanere Joshua Auta asinse mochi biorokererio na incheria ne Frida Kerubo ngukoganeria oburigereria obuya.